Which one of my parrots is the most loving? Hi, I am blissed out snuggling Kaylin, the author of the Parrot Bliss Bond. And in this early morning video, Binks, my golden conure, or Queen of Bavaria, is eating up the love, which is very typical of him. Now, he is only 5 months old, but my understanding is this is just typical of golden conures. If you could see, I'm going to try to... Oh, what's going on? Did you hear something? Oh, yeah, you hear the sweeper, huh? See, oh, there's the yawn. When you scratch their ears, they yawn. And in case you didn't know, their ears are under their feathers. It's a hole in their head, and it's right about there. So I'm doing this side. And when I do, look at those eyes. Look at those feathers fluff up. He just blisses out. Golden conures are so loving. I think Binks is easily my most affectionate, most cuddly, most loving parrot, hands down. And while each individual parrot species is different, each individual, sorry. This species seems just very affectionate and very loving. Look at that. Look at that. And I don't even get to spend a lot of time with him. Sorry, that's our Broomba that vacuums the floor by itself, which we didn't think it could do with all of the nut shells on the floor from the nut eaters like this one, but it actually, we're surprised and pleased. It does a really good job. Look at that. Oh, scratch under my chin. Oh. Now this is sideways head Binks. Oh. And he is just the most affectionate. If you have any questions about parrots, please post below. We would love to squawk more, of course, about parrots. Or join our Facebook group at Parrot Bliss Flock. And we'll catch you next time. Beep, beep, beep. Binksy.
Guess who discovered